In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Signals in Ga4. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, what it does, and a few important considerations to keep things compliant and accurate. First, a quick overview. Google Signals enhances your Ga4 reporting by enabling cross-device insights, more accurate user counts, and features like demographics and interests reporting. It also supports remarketing and advertising features when properly configured. Before you proceed, make sure you have at least the editor or administrator role on the Ga4 property you want to manage, and ensure your privacy, disclosures, and consent practices are up to date for your region. Let's get started. Open your Google Analytics account by going to analytics.google.com and sign in. Once you're in, confirm you're working in the correct Ga4 property, not a universal analytics property. You can double-check this in the property selector at the top of the interface. Ga4 properties typically have Ga4 indicated, and the interface looks more modern with a left-hand navigation bar. Next, head to Admin. You'll find the Admin gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click it to open your property's settings. In the Admin area, look for Data Collection. Depending on your interface, it may appear under Data Settings or under a section called Data Collection and Modification. Click Data Collection to open the panel where Google Signals is managed. Here's the key step. Find the option labeled Google Signals Data Collection and toggle it on. When you do, a guided prompt may appear explaining what Google Signals enables. Review the information carefully. You may be asked to confirm that your site or app complies with applicable laws and that your privacy policy reflects the use of Google Analytics advertising features. If you operate in regions that require user consent for analytics or ads personalization, ensure you only enable these features after obtaining valid consent and, if applicable, configuring consent mode so Ga4 honors user choices. When you're ready, confirm and save. After turning it on, you can verify it's active by returning to the same data collection screen. You should see the toggle enabled and in some cases a confirmation banner. Keep in mind that enhanced reports such as demographics and interests may take some time to populate with data. If you don't see those reports right away, give it at least 24 to 48 hours. That's it. You've opened your Google Analytics account, gone into admin settings, clicked data collection, and toggled on Google Signals. This small change unlocks richer reporting, better cross-device insights, and eligibility for advanced advertising features, all while keeping you in control of compliance and user privacy.